Let's look at the first modifier. On the workspace, select the needed object for further deformation. In the toolbar, select the first tool, Skew. In the drop-down tab, it tilts the object to one side or another, relatively to the anchor points. Point the mouse cursor over the guides of this tool, along one of the coordinate axes, X, Y, or Z, and move the mouse cursor. Going to the toolbar's configuration panel, you can enter a numeric value in the index entry field of one of the toolbar's coordinate axes. As we can see, every time we enter a number in the graph in one of the coordinate axes, the value is zeroed. The value is applied to the object and fixed. Repeat allows you to repeat the last action of this tool. Open the tab with extra settings of the panel. Origin allows you to move the anchor point to a certain level from where the deformation will be. Manual gizmo position allows you to move the anchor point of the tool in the free space from where the deformation will be. To complete the action of this tool, press Cancel. To cancel the action of this tool, you need to turn the action back.